Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your check engine light just popped on and you're seeing the code P0115, don't panic. Today we're breaking down what this code means, why it happens, and how you can fix it, even if you're not a mechanic. P0115 is a diagnostic trouble code that stands for Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor Circuit Malfunction. This sensor tells your car's computer how hot or cold your engine is, which is critical for proper performance and fuel efficiency. P0115 is the Engine Coolant Temp, ECT, Sensor Circuit Malfunction. Common causes of P0115. Number 1. Faulty Engine Coolant Temperature, ECT. Sensor. The sensor itself may be malfunctioning due to internal failure, wear over time, or exposure to extreme temperatures. It may send inaccurate or no data to the ECU. Test the sensor using a multimeter. Check resistance values at different temperatures. If the sensor is faulty, replace the ECT sensor. It's usually located near the thermostat housing or the cylinder head. Number 2. Damaged or corroded wiring touch connectors. The wiring harness connected to the ECT sensor may be frayed, melted, or corroded. Loose or oxidized connectors can also disrupt signal transmission. Visually inspect the wires and connectors for signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnection. Clean corroded terminals using electrical contact cleaner. Repair or replace damaged wiring and ensure connectors are secure and properly seated. Number 3. Low coolant level. Low coolant can cause the sensor to read incorrect values because it may not be fully submerged in coolant. It may lead to engine overheating, which impacts sensor operation. Check and top off coolant to the recommended level using the correct type specified by your vehicle manufacturer. Inspect for coolant leaks in hoses, radiator, water pump, or heater core. Number 4. Stuck thermostat. If the thermostat is stuck open, the engine may run cooler than normal. If stuck closed, it can lead to overheating, both of which can affect ECT readings and trigger the P0115 code. Monitor coolant temperature using a scan tool or gauge. Replace the thermostat if it fails to open or close properly. Number 5. ECU, Engine Control Unit. Issues, less common. A rare cause, but software bugs or internal damage in the ECU may misinterpret signals from the ECT sensor. Wiring issues elsewhere in the vehicle can also interfere with ECU signal processing. Perform a full diagnostic scan to rule out other potential codes. If ECU-related issues are confirmed, consider an ECU reflash update from the dealership or a qualified technician. P0115 is a critical code that can affect engine performance, fuel economy, and emissions. Address it promptly by diagnosing the sensor and related components, repairing any electrical or cooling system issues. Thanks for watching.